What up, everybody? So, I wanted to make a real quick video here on the crypto markets. I do not plan on making crypto market videos every single week, but there's a lot of craziness going on right now. Bitcoin has fallen below $20,000. Last week, I made a video on how the 200 weekly has historically been a good time to buy, and it's been very close, if not the bottom in bear markets. So, we've held this purple line and worked below it a few times, but historically this 200 weekly, which is dark purple line, this has been great entry points for long-term holders, and right now we're below it again. But I doubt we're going to get this candle close above because the candle closes tomorrow, so we have 1 day and 8 hours to get our candle to close above $22,346, $22,347. So we need about a 10% move in the next day or so. So I doubt that's going to happen. But I was looking at a bigger time frame. All right, Matt, things are getting crazy. Zoom out more. Let's go to the monthly. Monthly, we've never had a candle close ever below the 50 monthly. So we've had wicks below it. Back in 2015, we wicked below it, but the candle ended up closing above. We ended up holding it here for basically a year. Came close to it back in 2018, stayed above, wicked below it in the COVID crisis, but bounced above and closed the candle above. And right now, we're right below it. So we have a little bit more time for this one to close above it. We have 12 days and 8 hours to the end of the month. This candle is at, this moving average is at $21,200, $21,291 to be precise. So we need a nice little move up here in the next 12 days. It's definitely possible. Bitcoin's doing a lot of things that it has never done before in its history, okay? So we've never seen Bitcoin's price pull back to previous all-time highs. And right now we're doing that. So back in 2011, we peaked out roughly at $31. The next bear cycle, we came down to roughly 174. So never came down even close. And then that all-time high cycle was at $1,200. Never came back down to it. In 2018, we came down to 3,700. So never got close to it. That's still a few 100% above. But now we're retesting the 2017 cycle high. So this could be a good thing, even though historically it's never done this before. This should act as strong support. I mean, this was previous all-time highs. Technical analysis says old resistance should act as new supports. But when we broke above that previous all-time high at the $19,000, we didn't see it really act as resistance. So maybe it won't act as support this time. We do have more candle bodies here around this 14,000 area because these were the candles closed and opened. And then we had wicks up above it back in 2019. So maybe that's going to be the bottom. I don't know. I think historically, though, this is going to be a generational buying opportunity, just like all these previous massive pullbacks were in Bitcoin's history. We have the halving coming up in just under 2 years. If you look at the total coin market cap as well, the total crypto market cap is pulled back massively. We went from roughly $3 trillion. Now we're down at $816 billion. But if you look at the total market cap as well, we're literally right on top of this 50 monthly, this light line. Literally today we came down to it and came within a few $1 billion of it. Like so close. We like kissed it basically. So within a few $1 billion of this 50 monthly, and we're getting in really close to retesting this previous 2018 previous all-time high market cap. So keep an eye on it, guys. Bitcoin's doing a lot of things. Even the RSI is giving us signals here that we've never seen before. Let me bring up the all-time chart real fast before I leave. We've never been this low in the monthly RSI. We're at a 40 level. We're at 40. And usually we come down to 42, 43 area and bear cycle bottom. So keep an eye on it, guys. Watch the 21,000 area. We got to get that candle to close above the 50 monthly. If not, we might have to step back and reassess things and check out what else is going on underneath the surface. All right. Have a good one, guys. Peace.